this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 71 GMC K1500. Goes down the road pretty nice and airtight, not a lot of clunks and bangs or anything. Probably going around 60. Speedometer's probably a little off because of the bigger tires. Nice driving truck. Dash and everything. Everything works on this truck, which is these are easy to work on, so most time that's the case on these if anybody's putting time into them. So this one's been done right, ready for you to enjoy. Power steering, power brakes, and they've got a CD player, so got some tunes for you. Tilt steering wheel. This has been a nice restoration. Paint's nice, interior's nice. Motors had some work, I believe, from the paperwork I got. So, and a real four-wheel drive Shortbox, hasn't been cut or nothing. So, any questions? 605-695-73